if you're using Ethereum, you need to check this out. So this project is called ETH Gas Foundation. And what is ETH Gas? You all know ETH Gas, right? So it's the fee that you pay to use it. So every time you do something on Ethereum, like swap tokens with an NFT, bridge funds, or even claim an airdrop, you interact with a DeFi app, which needs Ethereum as a gas fee. So it's like basically the work cost of your action and how much computation it needs. So it's paid in ETH. And yeah, this protocol has something to do with it. Why is gas valuable? Because gas is an access to the Ethereum block space, right? And why is this such a huge deal for the Ethereum community? Because every transaction that you have paid in Ethereum in gas fees, you might be eligible for this airdrop. All right, so what is ETHGas? So ETHGas is like a building tool that makes Ethereum execution flexible. So previously, there has been lots of claims on a very high gas fee, so you need to pay a lot of Ethereum in order to use DeFi, and that sucks. A lot of people hate it, and that's one of the reasons that DeFi is not sustainable for the small users on Ethereum. Why? Because you need to pay a lot of money to just use it. Unlike any traditional financial technology, that's not the case for them. And it's more scalable for them. It's also more expensive to use. So Gas Foundation, those protocols that solve the gas fee problems, even though ETH gas fee have already really low right now, but it could still be improved to be more predictable. So like right now, setting a transaction is okay. I submitted it. I hope it gets included soon. Hope the price doesn't spike. Hope it doesn't fail. If this ETHGas protocol is trying to upgrade up into, all right, I want my transaction to be confirmed at this exact time and with high certainty. So ETH treats the block space like something that can be reserved, guaranteed, traded, or packaged into products. So for us users, it will be very interesting because if you can see here on the website, you can claim rebates or even design rebates. So what is like gas rebates? So gas rebates is like cashback for using Ethereum. So for normal users, the exciting part isn't the trading infrastructure that I just talked about. It's about that your gas fees can actually become rewards. So instead of gas always being a painful cost, so ETHGas enables apps to sponsor gas for users, rebate it for later, and make on-chain usage feel more like loyalty points or cashback points. So that's an interesting thing about this protocol. And yeah, and that's also how we can benefit from it. So the airdrop snapshot has been taken for at least this Genesis airdrop, and it's a 10% allocation to the community here. This is what we are eligible for, but they haven't give out the exact amount of airdrop allocated for the community that will drop on the Genesis on the first airdrop. Tomorrow, you can check it right now, and tomorrow you can claim your GWEI. If any of you have been using Ethereum and have interacted with the community here, we have this community quest going on. You can connect the account, follow the account, and unlock your gas reports. It generates your gas report to earn beans and uncover how your activity fuels the mission towards a gasless future on Ethereum here. So yeah, you can generate your gas report, see how much you're eligible for, and further interact with the community for future rewards. This is also doable for you guys who are quite new. If you're struggling with high fees, if it's really impacting you that much, I think you would be very interested in ETHGas. So that's for the ETHGas airdrop. By the way, there's also another airdrop here for Aster on stage 4. You can connect your wallet and claim right now. Another interesting airdrop that I want to talk about today is actually Mezo. So Mezo is a Bitcoin DeFi project, and they teamed up with Mezo Protocol, which is a vault infrastructure protocol that is right now earning you around 35% in rewards APR in Mezo, in vMezo, later to be vested like 3 months. After that, you can sell your converted to USDC for real USD value. But before that, it will be blocked. So 35% of the rewards plus the target APY potential. It's definitely a potential good form, but please do note that 35% APY is not as good as it seems because these rewards will be locked for 3 months in the form of a volatile token called vMezo. So every week in every epoch, you will be able to use vMezo to earn yield, but the yield has not been disclosed yet. So it's a very ambiguous thing to do. You can hedge your rewards and be more conservative about it, but yeah, that's a very interesting high APY vault. The vault APY, it's 35% rewards API on BTC. So this, by the way, is not financial advice. Everything stated in this video is not a financial advice. This is just a airdrop idea see if you're actually eligible for the airdrops or the farms that we are sharing. If you're interested, please do your own research after watching this video. See if the risk reward is actually you can tolerate for farming these DeFi products, right? You can either deposit TBTC or ref BTC, and I think there's another stablecoin involved here on Mezo as well. You can either do conservative vault here for the stable vault or do BTC pre-deposit vault here. So yeah, these are your options. This is just a trading idea. And yeah, for this week, there's a lot of airdrop incentives. There's 5 or 6 new airdrop incentives, airdrop news that is quite promising. Like we're gonna give you one right here from Merkle. So what's interesting about it is definitely the APR, and the daily rewards here is around 692 USDC. And with the liquidity provided right now, it's yielding you 29.32% APY. So MSUSD, we showed this in our premiums. We showed the project on our premiums to actually tell you not only the protocol, but also how to optimally form the asset, like Uniswap liquidity providing, so you can stack up the yields from MSUSD and also get the APRs from this liquidity pool because it's very highly rewarded. So this is one of the interesting farms that we show every week on our premium. We have still 6 to 7 more interesting farms, maybe even more than that. You can pick the assets that you're farming, which one are you bullish on? And yeah, that's what we're offering on our weekly premium airdrop farming alpha premium. By the way, if you want to get free DeFi news or launches, updates, the best trading catalyst every day, you can just go to news.todaydefi, subscribe, or go to our website on todaydefi.com to get the latest DeFi alpha, DeFi news, updated every day, curated by our team. I think that's all for today's video, and I'll see you on the next one.